Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so in this video today, we're going to be decorating a mason jar to give out as a gift with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using the Cricut machine to cut out an embellishment that we're going to place on the jar. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. Now they're mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. So I decided to paint the lid in gold, so we spray painted that, and then I cleaned the jar off, and then I decided to use some gold pearl wrap that I found in the Crafter Square of the Dollar Tree. So we're going to go ahead and embellish with that, some loose gems, and then we're going to decorate this jar with a design of a bee that I got off of the Cricut design space. So I'm like really excited about this. So that's what I'm doing. So I decided to go on the around the lid with some of that gold wrap and also on the bottom of the jar. So did you know that every time you click that like button and full watch the video, you help us YouTube content creators to grow on YouTube? Oh, and please comment below because I would love to hear from you. Okay, now this is like my favorite part. So we want to wipe the glass down and make sure that it's clean and free from any kind of oils or anything that will stop this from adhering to the jar. Then we want to peel back the transfer paper carefully with the design on it, and then use that to lay your design down on the jar. Make sure you have it exactly where you want to place it before you lay it down, and then you want to use the scraper or your fingertips to make sure and rub that down as best as you can, and then peel it back. Oh, I absolutely love this. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous that looks. I never thought I would ever say a bee looks gorgeous, but it came out so nice. I hope you agree, guys. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add these last finishing touches and of course some loose gems, and then head on over to the reveal. I'm so excited. Now, I just wanted to say that if you go over to my community tab, you're going to see information on the launching of a new monthly collaboration called the Sophisticated Saturdays, and that's with the Ladies of Elegance, and that's Amethyst Adventures and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. I am really excited about it, could use your support, and I can't wait to see you there. Okay, it looks so beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now I decided to place a tea light in there, but you can pretty much do anything you want with this jar. I think it came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.